Below market interest rate available for qualified buyers. New construction in Lockport-The Townes at Sadie. Welcome to the new, charming Brighton townhome floor plan. This contemporary layout boasts 1,925 square feet and is designed to maximize space and functionality while offering modern comfort for your lifestyle. As you step into the foyer of this home, you'll immediately notice the tall 9-foot ceiling and open concept living space that seamlessly connects the family room, breakfast area, and kitchen. As you make your way into the kitchen, your eye will immediately catch the 11-foot spacious kitchen island. This kitchen also has GE stainless steel appliances including the range, dishwasher, and microwave. As you make your way on over to the breakfast area, you'll notice the concrete patio to complete the exterior of the home. This townhome also boasts ample storage space, with closets strategically placed throughout the home to accommodate all your belongings and keep your living areas clutter-free. Find all 3 bedrooms, each with a walk-in closet, up on the 2nd floor. The owner's suite is a peaceful retreat, complete with an ensuite bathroom for added privacy and convenience and a massive walk-in closet. The 2 secondary bedrooms are on the other side away from the primary suite, offering true privacy for the owner's suite. Whether you work from home or have others living with you, these bedrooms are spacious enough to accommodate it all, completed with walk-in closets in all bedrooms, as mentioned above. To complete the 2nd level, there is a spacious linen closet in the hallway and a walk-in laundry room. You will no longer have to worry about lugging your laundry up and down the stairs. Rounding out this home is a full basement. With its thoughtful design and desirable features, the Brighton townhome floor plan offers the perfect blend of style, functionality, and comfort for modern living. Photos and virtual tour are of a model home, not subject. Home broker must